Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Thursday morning, August 11th, and we are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and SPY. And after a tremendous day yesterday by the bulls, exploding out of that inside month to the upside with a gap that's just about $4, still holding, they're trying to follow it up now the next day with another gap higher. Obviously, the more gaps we get, the more emotional trading we get. We know this is all short-term trading that's going on, but it is going in a direction that we thought the odds favored over the last couple of weeks or so that we've talked about it. Overnight high in SPY right now is 421.90. Overnight low is 418.90. Again, the next big target is to take back the trend day from May 5th for both the ES and SPY. Right now, pre-market, they're attempting to do it, but that doesn't matter, right? It has to be done in regular trading hours. If they are to get it in regular trading hours, again, we've talked about a price vacuum. There's really not much above except the highest accepted price from that day, a daily high, and then May's monthly high. So, again, we've targeted this. We always take things in baby steps and give you both sides of why the market can go to this level to the upside or this level to the downside. And we don't talk about it after the fact. We spoke that we have to, once we had the inside month, we need to come out of the inside month and get acceptance. Then we need to get June's high and get acceptance. Well, right now it looks like we might have done those two things, and we said if we do those, then eventually we should go at least test and target May's high. Then everything gets put on hold to see what happens at that level. That's going to be a really big level because it's solidly inside the previous 3 months when they were pushing this market down. We would need acceptance above May's high to get any really good legs. But I can tell you what, we'd be talking 450, 460 level if that was to happen. But first things first, let's go get May's high. Very wide point of control right now. I'm in 2s in ES, but still a very wide point of control up here around the 21 level. As far as the others go, triple Qs, remember I said next destination 330. Well, we're up to 327 and change pre-market right now. And Russell, their next level would be a weekly high of 204 and change, and then the next monthly high of 209 and changes. They've exploded now above May's high. They're the first one to take out May's high. So game plan for this morning. Again, the larger the gap, the more I wait, right? I don't chase gaps of any magnitude. Plus, we have to see if they get these single prints from May, if the first time, that might be their first target, right? These are heat-seeking missiles, these algorithms. So that might be their first target and back off to get an inventory adjustment. Again, you have the PPI out at 830, but the market is attempting to go up. So again, based off of yesterday, you would think the market, if anything, might digest a little bit, but I wouldn't expect it to take back yesterday. But a decent risk-reward short the first time against that single print fill from May. Any acceptance above that, that short game is over, as again, there's a vacuum above us. And any pullback against yesterday's high, again, it's worth the long out at D's high, which is basically where the price probe was. Remember, we did have a price probe yesterday. And then you'd reassess if we got back inside of yesterday's range. Again, you're getting all this up to the date as the trading day evolves while the profile is being live streamed. And then quickly on the chart, there's the monthly. We've finally taken out June and July's high. There's your next target, May's high of 429.66. Again, if you get acceptance above that, look at this. And we're talking around this 460 level again, right? Between 458, 460 level would be the next big target. But first things first, we got to get May's high with acceptance, right? It took us a while to come out of June and July. But the monthly's up now. Weekly, one time framing up for 4 weeks. Very healthy. And the daily exploded out of either a 3 or 8 day balance to the upside on a gap. Possibly looking to gap higher again today. The one downside to this whole move is the volume has been very, very light. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Good luck trading. And we'll recap at 4 p.m.